We have another example of direct variation problem. If m is directly proportional to the square root of p, and p is 16 when m is 24, the question here is what is m if p is 25? So the first step in solving this kind of variation is to identify the general equation based on the statement m is directly proportional to the square root of p. So we have here two quantities, m and p. But this time, we have the description for the another quantity. So we have here m is directly proportional. So we will write here the constant k to the square root of p. So we will put the symbol square root and then p. And based on this equation, we can find the value of the constant of variation if p is 16 and m is 24. So let's write it here. M is 24 equals k times the square root of 16. So all we need to do is simplify this. 24 is equal to k, and the square root of 16 is 4. So we'll have here 24 equals k times 4. And then next is we will divide both sides by 4. So cancel this because it is equivalent to 1. And then we'll have 1 times k is equal to 24 divided by 4 is 6. So the constant of variation here is 6. But the real question here is, what is m if p is 25? So based on the general equation, we will use these values to identify the value of m. So m is unknown, and then p is 25. And remember, the value of k here is 6. We will substitute it to the general equation, m equals k square root of p. So m is equal to k is 6 times the square root of p, or 25. So m is equal to 6 times the square root of 25 is 5. And then multiply this. M is equal to 6 times 5 is 30. Therefore, the value of m is 30 when p is 25.